Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating as well. Drivability dial with push button 4x4 and automatic headlights. Vehicle does have fog lights there. You do have your leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter with push button ignition. Nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seating. Integrated trailer braking system as well as auto stop start. USB ports and an outlet up front. This truck does have the all black interior, dual glove boxes, and our black leather heated and ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we do have the factory 18-inch wheel and tire package, Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires, off-road aggressive tires there. We have the color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 6.2 liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for those large wheels and tires, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals, fog lights, red tow hooks, and the blacked out grille. Making our way to the back of the truck, we have rear tinted privacy windows. At the back, color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with an in-seat storage feature. Solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top as well as a solid roof. LED lighting. You do have dual USB ports there and your rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.